Welcome to September's New Form Design Challenge Showcase. We're doing a winner showcase of all the amazing honorable mentions, first, second, third place, and top Wix Studio website winner for the month of September. And what you guys are going to see here are the top of the top. Each and every person that did submit did an amazing job, and there was something special and magical about each one. What you guys are going to see here is magic.